Hi, my name's Anthony Alder from Alder IP, and welcome to another episode in the IP series. Today I'm going to be talking about new developments with AI and copyright. In particularly in Australia, the Productivity Commission, which is an advisory arm of the government, is actually looking to see how they're going to change or update the copyright laws in Australia to better facilitate AI. Now, the problem with this is any move that we make towards improving AI's usability or efficiency is going to hurt content providers. And by the same token, if we move the balance towards content providers, that's going to slow down the development of AI and that sort of thing, and AI tools in particular. It's a fine balance between the two. And the main thing you need to consider is if we've got a content provider, is their work being copied by the AI when it's inserted into their models and that sort of thing? Now, the important thing to notice is with copyright, it's not the idea that we're worrying about, it's the expression of the idea. The really important issue is whether the AI system is copying the expression of the idea in its output. If it is, then it is an infringement of copyright. And really it goes too far in the favor of AI if we're allowing that sort of stuff. Really what we should be thinking about is making sure that people are properly compensated for the work they're doing. So if you're a content provider, a musician, any kind of content, it should be validly represented and compensated. The other thing is that we really have to think about how is the copyright being infringed by an AI system. As I said, there's two main ways to think about that. There's the output of the AI, but also there's the inputs of the AI. So if they're taking a library of books and copying them to stick them into the AI system, that's a copyright infringement right there, particularly if it's not licensed. And this happens particularly with musical works, recorded artists, these sort of things where a lot of these information is being filtered straight into the AI system. And if that's the case, content providers have got to be compensated for these kind of things. At the moment, the Productivity Commission's got a very difficult question in front of it. Should we move the balance more to AI or should we move the balance more to copyright? We need to watch this space and see what happens in the future to see how the process develops along time. If you have any queries about copyright or any kind of intellectual property, please contact me or my team at Alder IP. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks.